I am just out exploring today on the Honda CRF250L. It's just a Mark Twain Forest Service road. This is kind of more like almost like a gravel road through here. No challenge on this so far anyway. There's a creek. It's a good bike wash anyway. Maybe we'll see a rattlesnake today. I've seen them off in this area before. Open that shield up, let myself breathe. Well, there's some ledges up this one. This is a lot better. You definitely would want a skid plate on this. Because I'm bound to hit my case somewhere on this stuff. Haven't yet. And right now I'm just stock gearing too, so it's better if it's a little bit lower geared for this kind of stuff. Need to get a 45 tooth put on the back. I think I would like it. I don't go that fast on the highway anyway. I have no idea where this goes. But that's the part of the adventure. That's the cool part. Look at that ledge. Just gotta pick a line and go. Okay, now which way? I gotta check my camera because you ride down the highway to a spot, and if you don't pay attention, you get a bug on there. Well, then you go recording, and then your whole video is ruined because there's a bug splattered on your camera. Surely to goodness this ain't the end of the trail. That's a nice little pond right there anyway. Probably a lot of bullfrogs in there. That is the end of the trail this way. Which means the other way probably don't go nowhere either. I doubt it. But we'll go see. It don't look like it. You see it growed up like this. Usually, it don't go too far. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it does. And sometimes it's because it gets too difficult and people will back out and not be going on it. It's not so difficult. Kind of in a rut here. But it's definitely brush. Look at that log. Somebody tore the heck out of that hill. Trying to turn around or climb that or something. Well, it's definitely rough. I know on your guys are watching thinking it's flat, but it's definitely not flat. It's pretty steep climb here. Still going up. There's got to be a top to this thing somewhere. Dang, watch out for the rocks. Actually, I'm surprised I haven't got covered in spiders yet. Usually, unless somebody's been through here, because usually you go out through here and you get these places you get covered with spiders. Some kind of plastic bracket off of a four-wheeler or side-by-side or something. I haven't got any yet that I can tell. I've been through this stuff. If you look at some of my older videos where my whole bike is just covered in webs and spiders, which is not no big deal. If you're gonna do this kind of stuff, that's what you gotta expect. So I definitely don't know where I'm going here. Yeah, I do. Through the woods. So the camera I'm using, people ask all the time, this is the Sena 10C EVO. Very good camera, I love it. One of the greatest things about this camera is the audio. As you can tell, the audio is good, and you probably can't even hear my motorcycle very good at all. It just really picks up the voice, but not a lot of background junk. Wind noise on the highway is great. It don't pick up a lot of wind noise. Super good camera, best I've had. I mean, I've got all kinds of cameras and other Senas too, but this one's by far the best. Be interesting to see what comes next from Sena. Boy, what are we getting into down here? Oop. I kicked my front tire out, and I didn't about go down, but it still kicked my tire. Tire rolled off of it. Hope I don't hear banjos playing out here. You could say, is that banjos I hear? Now surely, to goodness, people made a trail around, but they didn't go around that little old log right there. Why would you go around that? That's nothing. That's what they did. They made a trail around it. Oh well. Nothing to it. Now I'm out here riding by myself way off out here. And nobody has a clue where I'm at, except for I did tell my wife which area I would be in. So if something was to happen, they could know where to look. Watching blackberry briars sticking out into the trail. They're not fun when they snag you on the arm, especially I ain't even got no gear on. This is after work and I ain't got nothing on. Well, I do have clothes on. Got my gloves on. Yeah, my babysitters will be saying something about me not wearing ATG all the time or whatever. But it's good. Rode this way all my life. Goodness, this is actually a long trail. Whoa! Man, that sucks. There was a log running this way, and I got crossed it. One tire on one side, one on the other. I thought it was going to make me go down. Good thing is it's dry right now. It's not wet. If it had been wet, I might have went down. But with it dry like this, traction is at premium right now. Look at all the sycamores. That's what these big leaves are here. Sycamores, like this one right in front of me. Sycamores and sumac. That's all this sumac over here. Listen to this 250L, sounds like a tractor lugging. It's called too high gear. I don't actually like riding in the center in the grass because you don't know what's in there. You go flying up through here, better off staying a track. You ride in the center, there could be a big old rock, big as a football laying there. And it's likely because the tires of vehicles kick it up into the center of the road. My goodness. There's some sassafras. There's some poison ivy, that's all I need. I have no idea where I'm going to come out. Something got in my face. Probably a spider. Hey, I actually thought I heard a banjo. Actually, it was a rock kicked up, hit my skid plate. That's what it sounded like. Made that sound. It looks like an opening up here because I see sunlight shining. Hopefully, it's not a turnaround up here and I gotta go all the way back out of this mess. I don't know, but there's something in my helmet, so I might have to stop here and take my helmet off. And something in my ear drives you crazy before it stings me or bites me. Well, I don't know where it was, but evidently it's gone. I heard something fly off. I don't see it in my helmet. Don't see it in there. But that drives me crazy if some bug gets in my ear. You could have the shield down, and then there'd be a lot less chance of that. But it sure gets hot with the shield down too. Ride. You can see how I'm riding here. I'm kind of keeping my bike. There went another one. I almost went inside. Luckily he got out. I got my bike in the track here but I'm leaning off to the side here to keep out of the briars and the limbs. Uh-oh, what we got here? Oh, we have come to a road. Another one somewhere. Lefty or righty? I definitely need to remember which way I took so I can go back in case this don't come out, but surely it comes out somewhere. This one looks better traveled than the one I was just on. I'm gonna come down hopefully in another day or two and do some more exploring on some of these trails too. Oh man, we're coming out to the highway. I can tell by that sign. I'll be darned. I know where we're at. That's awesome. Well, that's cool. Next time I may come here and go down instead of taking that right that I just come off of, went left, go straight on and see where that goes. That's cool. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe. Check out the link below where it says about my Amazon store for Jeep parts and Honda CRF250L parts and all this stuff. Because most of the stuff I have on my Amazon store. But check it out. It does help my channel a little bit if you guys use it. And also, one way to help out is if you go to Amazon, even if you don't buy anything off my store, save my Amazon store link down below. Save that as your Amazon link, and then when you go to Amazon, go to my store first, and then when you go surf and buy stuff, I will actually get a commission off of it. So if you use it that way, it helps me out. Thank you guys. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.
Connected.